Those days we could allow, nowadays we even don't allow even to use our mobile phones to even familiar people also. So he allowed him, and finally he used that and he made a call, and then he gave back that cell. And later on the boy asked, the boy was over there in class 6. And the boy asked, why don't you use your mobile? अपना क्यों नहीं मोबाइल यूज करते? उन्होंने बताया कि whole of the time we are over there in Juki जो चौकी जहाँ पर रहते हैं, and whole of the day we people are working over here and we don't have the electricity in the evening, तो हम चार्ज ही नहीं कर पाते अपने मोबाइल. And he started thinking like, अब वो बच्चे के दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आ गया कि इनको चार्जिंग कैसे, कुछ ऐसा हो जिससे ये अपने फोन को चार्ज कर पाए. When they are moving up and down of the building, they are working whole of the day, कुछ ऐसा तरीका कि अपने पास फोन भी रख पाए, उसको चार्ज कर पाए. How to do it? And then finally he went to the principal, and the principal made him to move to science teacher कि देखो जाओ science teacher के पास and try to find out some way out, some project you can take. And then the science teacher also was convinced by the principal कि देखो इसको इसकी curiosity है, तो जरा find out करो कुछ way out. And then the science teacher, she gave him many books and links from where he could study how to discharge such kind of mobile and all that.
Variable or bi-variable or any other, there are formulas for that. And I always relied on unitary method. It never fails. If one person can do a work in 10 days, 10% will do the same work into 1 day. Simple, unitary method, directly. अब इसी में हम करते चाहिए. One person in 2 days can make 3 shoes. एक और एक बना दिया. उसको आप एक को काउंट करते जाइए. अपने आप automatically you will reach your destination. That is what we say that stick to the basics, 4 essentials. It is required. Critical thinking. No short of any new idea that is burning up. Because if everybody is thinking the same, it means nobody is thinking.
There is a king, once there was a king, and he was having 3 children with him. He asked them, and he gave cup to them and asked them to fill it. They come after some days, one child with come with precious stones in that cup, and second child come with money in it. But third child when came now, that cup was empty. Can you tell me why? Why it was empty? One cup was empty. Why it was empty? One was come with precious stone. In second cup there are some money. But in third cup it was totally empty. Why?
दो कप से देगा तो एक से खाएगा भी तो.
It was
आधी थोड़ी का नाश करता हूँ.
While he does his hard work now, it was filled with sweat, and then at last that sweat was like a सूख गया. He came with empty cup.
मेहनत क्या पसीना था.
Exactly. और वो सूख गया last में. That's it.
क्या बोल गई फिर से बताओ भाई.
To face the challenges of the life. Here the struggle was not so.
Nicely drawn and nicely interpreted.
Once in a village there was a tailor, and once he had kept a bunch of bananas on his head. And when that elephant came from there, that elephant took all the bananas, and the tailor was very angry. Now he thought of some ways how to stop that, how to take revenge from that elephant. Next day, what he did, he pricked a needle into his trunk and irritated him. Now he bothered that elephant. Next time when that elephant came, he remembered that what harm was done to him a day before. So he brought some muddy water in his trunk and threw all that